Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you get access to ChatGPT plugins. So guys, to get access to ChatGPT plugins, at first you need to go to your ChatGPT app or ChatGPT browser, and after that the only way to get ChatGPT plugins is that you need to get the ChatGPT plus version, or you can say that you can just get the ChatGPT 4 version. So for that you need to click on in the top this option, get plus. You can just get the ChatGPT subscription by the bottom. Here you can see subscribe. It is about like $25 per month. Then after that, in the top left here you can see this two dash icon. You can just click on it and you can just scroll, click on your profile in the bottom, and if you have the ChatGPT plus version, you will see the beta features option here. In my case I don't have that because I don't have the ChatGPT 4 version. You can just get the beta features from here, and clicking the beta features you will see the plugins option. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.